Good morning, room 13. Here we are back for our Thursday packet work. We're going to start with this page on Wolfgang Mozart, and this one is going to work just like your page yesterday. On page 2, you're going to see a bunch of questions. I want you to answer the questions, but I also want you to show me in this text where you got the answer by using the red, orange, green, and blue highlighters. Make sure you do one for each question. You guys did awesome on this yesterday. I have no doubt you guys will rock this one as well. Moving on to math today, I've got kind of a fun activity for you. You're going to have to do it off Seesaw, so actually using some pencil and paper here. But what you're going to do is take this page with a bunch of fractions on it. You're going to cut out on those dotted lines, and then you're going to glue them onto this page. If you don't have any glue, you can also just kind of set them on there and then take the picture with them just kind of laying on the top. Either way is fine with me, but the idea here is that under like the 1/4 column, you find a 1/4 fraction and you put it there. So you tell me what each fraction is. Moving on, we've got this page on the water cycle. Do a little bit of reading on the top here so that you can kind of familiarize yourself with some of these words like evaporation, precipitation, condensation. I'm reading from the middle of the page here so that you understand what each of these things does. On the next page, you're going to see a picture of the water cycle with those same words, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and then they added one here at the bottom of the page that says accumulation. Your job for that page is to follow the directions down here. It says circle the words that are water cycle stages that you read about, so I want you to circle the ones that you read about up on this page. Color the pictures that represent each stage. You could even be fancy and color each one a different color. And what do you think is happening in the accumulation stage? Write what you think is happening to the water under the accumulation label. So under accumulation down here, I want you to write me a small explanation in a text box. So take your text box, I lost mine, and move it down here under accumulation. See if you can figure out what's going on and write me a little description down there. That's all for today. Have a great Thursday, and I will see you on Seesaw.